As one of 50/50 joint venture in China, Dongfeng Cummins Engine Company (DCEC) was established in the year of 1996, producing Cummins B, C, D, L, Z series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 3.9 to 13 liters engines with the power from 20 to 600 kilowatts. DCEC engines are widely used in energy, maritime, automotive, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications. DCEC construction engines power range covering from 80 horsepower to 600 horsepower. Emission standard can reach up to EU Stage 5.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConeMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce DCEC QSB6.7 construction engine. This is the standard DCEC QSB6.7 construction engine, which comes with 60-pin ECU. DCEC QSB6.7 construction engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine with 6.7-liter displacement, equipped with HPCR fuel system and L2L intercooler system. The rated power covering from 130 horsepower to 260 horsepower at rated speed range from 2000 rpm to 2500 rpm. The output torque covering from 580 Nm to 990 Nm. The overall dimensions of our DCEC QSB6.7 construction engine is 1150 by 810 by 910 mm, and the net weight is 520 kg. The emission standard is EU Stage 3A. The standard DCEC QSB 6.7 construction engine comes with following accessories: 60 pins ECU, fuel filter, common rail system, fuel pump, fuel water separator, air filter, SAE2 flywheel housing and 11.5-inch flywheel. Starter motor, charging alternator, oil filter, cooling fan, Based on standard DCEC QSB 6.7 construction engine, ConeMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConeMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConeMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application. based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers, ConeMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConeMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.